What's up, Scotty? What are you working on?
We just got diagrams from a Lancia parts guy. So now we know what all the switches are for. So what I want to do is try and get the factory switches wired again. So I've had to reroute and resplice a few things so that we can do it properly. I've been at it literally all morning to try and figure out how we can do this without causing an issue. Because things were changed over the years, I get it. So we're gonna put our headlight switch back, but I'm gonna do the dimmer and the high beams to the factory switches. So our second one in is gonna be our high beams, which I think is kind of neat. I want to see if we can get maybe a little tab or something so that it looks vintage or retro, so that he'll know exactly where, you know, everything is. And then we have a couple other switches which we've got full diagram as to what they are, where they're supposed to be, but we've deleted a lot of things. So I don't know if the customer wants to add anything or not. I'm not sure. I truly don't know. But we're getting everything wired up, and I found, hoping if all works out well, because of what wasn't on this car, what will be on this car, factory, is the high beam switch. When it's turned on, it's gonna trip the blue light like it's supposed to on all cars, because every car I've ever driven in my many moons of driving, not to give my age out, we're gonna have everything working like it's supposed to. So we'll have hazards, all of these will blink on top. High beams, the blue light will come on. Turn signals, we're leaving them there. That seems to be the right place for it for the customer, so they'll know there's that one, there's that one. It's not a big deal. I'm individually going through everything, going, okay, well, I need to reroute wiring. I need to run this to there. I want to go back to as close as we can get to this being the factory switch, so that it will at least look as close to factory as we can keep it and keep it going. But now to route everything so that when you pull something on, it works like it's supposed to, because I don't know where the switch is for the wipers, but I want to go back to a factory switch if I can. We'll figure it all out and start routing wires a little bit better, but right now it's route, tape, hold, go over everything, keep track of notes so we know what we're doing, and then the Lancia guy that I'm dealing with for parts, we may have an actual handle for the bonnet. Super cool.
That's the right carpet, but it's the wrong color.
So we'll get that taken care of, and we'll let you guys know. I know you're not seeing a whole lot of progress, but trust me, this is a whole lot of progress, so we know where things need to go and how we're gonna do them. And I think that's most important, because I want this as right as possible.
Arts and crafts time?
Arts and crafts time, that's right.
Are you drawing pictures and writing down things?
Yes, they haven't taught me colors yet, so we're working.
But you can draw and read.
Yes, I can.
Blue tastes good.
Yes.
Tyler's favorite is red, but
I like purple.
he was in the Marine Corps, so
That would explain it.
red crayons is the only thing they serve.
Yeah, exactly. But on that note, we'll let you guys go.